420 Things Grow in Ontario. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen, and we have an unboxing today, and it's from good old Jeff Bezos. It's an Amazon product. The link will be in the description, and we'll see how this turns out. So, I don't know about you, but pruning shears, you've seen the link, the description of this video, are always... You can always have more, right? You can always never have enough. So this is a 6-pack. Price was very cheap when you compared to some other ones. There was a coupon, there was whatever. But it's, again, 6 of them. You're going to buy 2 or 3 of them. They're like 18 bucks or 9, 10, 12 bucks. And these, again, reasonable price, right? So plain Jane, packaging is kind of cheesy looking, which is fine because I don't even care. I mean, they could have saved money on the packaging. What is all this? We don't need this. I guess we could use this for something. Ooh, they're cold. They're outside. Guess you could use this for something, I guess. Roll it up. Yeah, I guess maybe it's a little bit of a, a little extra thing there. But regardless, scissors, nice spring. They're you know, it's cardboard. Cardboard cuts pretty easy. As you can see, these ones, whoa, still rocking the wheelchair here, guys and girls. So this is a pack that I had from before. These ones have gone through quite a bit of use. These ones are like seems like they're stronger than these ones. The spring is a little bit stronger. Over time, maybe that'll loosen up. But decently strong spring. And let's get a sheet of paper here. Let's get this cut. I can't cut that. I can cut this though. Yep. Works pretty good. Now these, after time, let's see how they're kind of, well, this is junk in there. But very good for cutting, pruning. My wife uses these type of scissors out in the garden. She's got her own because I'm always looking for mine. These stay in the grow room or in the greenhouse from outside. So, but good for plant matter, good for trimming. You don't have to in and out the springs. But again, for the price that they are right now on Amazon, like it's hard to go wrong with a 6-pack, right? Now, these do fluctuate in price from time to time, and you check the link, go over there, you can go to them. These ones are the specific ones that you can see. I've got the name in the description, the exact name that was on Amazon, 6-pack. But like I said, you can in and out. There's some green ones, some red ones, some orange ones. Obviously, there's different companies, but they're pretty much all the same. Like I said, this one is probably it's probably a year and a half old, but it's been used quite a bit. Whereas these ones are brand new. When I say this one's stronger, I'm just comparing the two. I mean, if we looked at the pressure, it'd be a little bit more on this one, but not overly noticeable. That like you're gonna be trimming all day. Is it gonna notice it? Sure, but I mean, you're not gonna notice it. Did I say sure? I mean, no. But again, little lock here, locks them in place. Usually, sometimes you can get it up here and you're like, it goes up there by mistake. And you go, how come I can't close it? You got to be careful of that. But overall, not a bad purchase. So if you head over to the link in the description, brings you right to the Amazon store. This is a affiliate link, so our channel will get credit for the sale. On less than 30 bucks, it's not very much. So, but I do appreciate anybody who clicks my links. I really appreciate it, guys and girls. It really helps the channel. Like that's the only way of income I really have. That and my YouTube stuff, which is not overly heavy, but again, just helps buy these things, right? So appreciate it. Show some love and check the link. All right, guys and girls, like, subscribe, and do all that jazz. Yeah.